In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can read messages from another phone remotely here on WhatsApp. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But the first thing you're going to want to do on your second phone is download WhatsApp. On for example, an iPhone, you will need to delete WhatsApp first and then reinstall it. Since only one account can be active on Android, though, you are able to add multiple accounts without deleting the app by just going into your settings and then scrolling all the way down. And there's a section to add another account. But on your second phone, open up WhatsApp and tap agree to continue. And then in the top right, there's going to be three little dots. Go ahead and select those three little dots and then hit link as companion device. And on your main phone, go into your settings just like so. And you're going to see an option for a little QR code. Go ahead and select that QR code. I'm not going to select it just because I don't want people to be able to log into this device right here. Go ahead and do that and scan that QR code. Now, on top of that, if the QR code is on your second phone, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see the option to link device. Go ahead and select it and then hit link device, and it's going to pop up with the camera. Just scan that, vice versa. As long as you're scanning the QR code with one of the phones, you'll be good to go because that's how you link your WhatsApp to multiple phones. From here, your chats are going to sync up. You'll be able to read all your WhatsApp messages remotely on the other device, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.